In this demonstration, we're going to consume and display a list of data. This means first we're going to create some sample data, and then we're going to see how to display that data on a page. In the Demo Web Forms project in Visual Studio, with app_data folder selected, I'm going to go to Project menu item, and then select Add New Item. I want to add a SQL Server database to my project. I'll rename the database to simply just be DB, and I will add it to my project. Visual Studio has now added the .mdf file and the LDF file in my app_data folder. I'm now going to double-click on the db.mdf file. On the left side of the screen, in Server Explorer, I can examine the information about this brand new database. When I attempt to expand the tables, there aren't any. It's empty. I'm right-clicking tables so I can add a new table. Visual Studio provides a very easy way for me to integrate my website with my brand new SQL Server database. I'm going to name this table down below here as Tech Item. Notice at the top I could specify information about each column. And in the Properties window for my ID column, I'm going to set that the identity for this ID is set to true, meaning I would like it to auto-number. I'm also going to add another column. I'll simply call this one Name. Make it a nvarchar, accept the default constraint there for the length. I will not allow nulls. And now that this is done, I'm going to click Update. And I'm being asked if I want to confirm the creation of this table, and I will click Update Database. Now that this is done, I can refresh in Server Explorer and see the Tech Item table appears. I'm going to right-click it and show the table data. Again, it's an empty table. But I'm just going to add a few items of data such as ASP, hitting Tab on my keyboard to move to the next area, ASP.NET, tabbing again, and ASP.NET Core. I have 3 values now in my database. I'm going to the About.aspx page. After the Label 1 label that's found on my page, I'm going to let the cursor blink, hit Enter a couple times, and now I'm going to drag the Tech Item table onto this page. This has created a data control that automatically recognizes the schema of that table and knows how to connect to that table. I'm going to keep it simple. I will auto format, choose Professional. I'll edit columns and select only to see the name appear. Again, the power of ASP.NET Web Forms is the ability to so easily add dynamic data from a database to a page in such a short amount of time. Let's see if this works in the browser. The page is loaded, and we can see the 3 values from our database on the page.